Hi, I'm Miss Pupila, one of the teachers at Rocket Ship Nashville Northeast Elementary. I am so excited you're here and you're going to be joining our Rocket Ship family. You are going to love kindergarten. Today, I'm going to be teaching you all about the letter A. Today, we're learning about the letter A. A is the first letter in our alphabet. We all know the alphabet song, right? Let's start by singing the alphabet song together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Wow, you guys are amazing singers. Thank you so much for singing with me. Today, I'm going to teach you a new way to sing the alphabet. This is a song that I like to do with my kindergarten Rocketeers, and it helps us stick those letter sounds in our brain. We like to use our whole body and our voice because that makes it even stickier. That means when I sing this song, it'll be my turn, then your turn. So I'm going to say the letter and the name and do a movement. And then it'll be your turn to do it back. So if I say I, it's going to be your turn to go I. I cannot wait to see you guys rock out this alphabet. Here we go. Are you ready to follow along? A, I. B, 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 B. C, K, K. D, 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 D. D, 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 D. E, E, E. E, E, E. F, F. G, 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 G. H, H. I, I. J, 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 J. K, 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 K. L, L, L. M, M, N, N. O, O, O. P, P, Q, 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 Q. R, R, S, S. T, T. U, V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. Z. Wow, you guys did an amazing job learning all about those letter names and sounds. Wow, you rocked it out. Give yourselves 2 claps and a pat on the back. And coming back. Wow, you guys are going to be letter experts. I am so impressed with all your learning today. Today, we are learning all about the letter A. The letter A. We learned that letter A says ah. A says ah. A says ah. I wonder if we can think of some words that have the sound. Some words might have it in the beginning, some words might have it in the middle, and some words could have it at the end. Let's take a look at some words that have the sound. Let's see some words that have the sound. Ant. The word ant starts with the sound. Apple. The word apple starts with the sound. Alligator. The word alligator starts with the sound. Astronaut. The word astronaut starts with the sound. Some words have the sound, but not at the beginning. In the word hat, the word hat has in the middle. At. The middle sound is In the word map, the word map, I hear the sound in the middle. Map. Map. In the middle, I hear the sound. In the word ask, in the word ask, do I hear the sound? Yes, I hear the sound at the beginning. Ask. Let's try some different words to see if you hear the sound. Now it's your turn. Do we hear the sound in the word ask? Do I hear the sound in the word ask? I do. Ask, ask starts with ask, ask. Do we hear the sound in the word mad? Do we hear the sound in the word mad? D. I hear the sound in the middle of the word mad. Do we hear the sound in the word dog? Do I hear the sound in the word dog? D, a, g. I do not hear the sound in the word dog. Do we hear the sound in the word cat? Do I hear the sound in the word cap? K, I hear the sound in the middle of the word cap. Wow, you guys are becoming experts on the letter A. You guys are doing an amazing job learning all about the sounds that the letter makes. Now, let's learn about how to write the letter A. Let's start with the uppercase letter A. When you write the uppercase letter A, you start at the top and go diagonal down. Start at the top and go diagonal down. Then you go back to the top and diagonal down. Back to the top and diagonal down. And then number 3, the third line goes across like a belt. Goes across like a belt. Let's try it together. Take out your magic finger and you're going to follow along and draw it in the air like magic. Start at the top and diagonal down. Back to the top and diagonal down. Cross the middle like a belt. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top and diagonal down. Back to the top and diagonal down. Cross the middle like a belt. Plain line, and we go like a belt. There we go. We've made the letter A. We made the letter A. Let's try another one. We are going to, start at the top, all the way in the clouds. Down in a diagonal, then get off the grass. Then rig back to the top, down in a diagonal, off the grass. We always start at the top, then touch the bottom, and then lift our pencil. Back to the middle for a belt. Wow, we've made 2 letter A's. Now sometimes people make their A's and it'll look like this. They'll start at the top, kinda, in the middle. That's called a floating letter. No way, we don't want our letters to float. That's why we make sure they touch the top and the bottom, so they're nice and secure. Back to the top, down in a diagonal, off the grass. Back to the top, down in a diagonal, off the grass, and all the way across the middle. Guys, we made the uppercase letter A. Give yourselves 2 claps. 2 claps. You guys did amazing. Now let's practice our lowercase a. We're gonna start in the middle and make a circle. Then stop. Then take your pencil off, back to the middle and straight line down. Let's hear that one more time. Start at the middle, make a circle. Back to the middle and a straight line down. Let's try it together with our magic fingers. Fingers up. Start in the middle and make a circle. Start in the middle and make a circle. Back to the middle, go down to the bottom. Back to the middle, go down to the bottom. Let's do it one more time. Start in the middle and make a circle. Start in the middle and make a circle. Back to the middle, go down to the bottom. Back to the middle, go down to the bottom. Excellent job, guys. Now let's learn how to write the lowercase letter a. When we learned about the uppercase, we learned you always start your uppercase at the top line or the cloud line. When you start your lowercase letter, you're going to start in the middle or the plain line. You always start your lowercase letters in the middle at the plain line. With the lowercase, you're going to make a circle. The first step is to make a circle. Once you make your circle, your pencil goes up. Then back to the middle for a straight line down. Look, we've made a lowercase a. Let's try the next one together. We're gonna start in the middle, make the circle. Pencils up. Back to the middle, make the line down. Let's try again. Start in the middle, make the circle. Remember, you want to make sure your circle touches the middle line and the bottom. They want to touch the plain line and the grass. And of course, whenever you get to the grass, you lift that pencil and say, get off the grass. Let's try it together. Start in the middle, down to the grass. Keep off the grass. Awesome job. Let's try one more. Start in the middle, make the circle. Back to the middle, go down. Let's do one more together because these ones are looking a little crooked. We want to make sure our line is nice and straight. Start in the middle, make a circle. Pencils up, back to the middle, down to the grass. Keep off the grass. Wow, guys, you did an amazing job writing the letter A. We wrote the uppercase letter A and the lowercase. Awesome job, guys. Wow, I had so much fun learning with you today. Today, we learned all about the letter A. We know that letter A says ah, ah. The letter A says ah, ah. We know how to write the letter A, and we can find the ah, ah sound in words. In your Kinder Ready workbook, you'll find tons of tracing practice, sound practice, and writing practice that will help you really learn all about the letter A. I can't wait to see your amazing work. Make sure to check out the math video this week, and we'll see you back here next week for even more letter learning. See you next time.